Place this in your shoe right now and say farewell to debts and, above all, bad luck. Have you ever wished to be free from debt and to experience fulfillment in your life? If so, this is the moment to take the first step toward the realization of that dream. Trust in your capability to reshape your reality and bid farewell to scarcity. Write in the comments, "I manifest a financial miracle in my life." This affirmation, brimming with faith and certainty, is the key that opens the doors to abundance. Trust in the strength of your words and visualize prosperity flowing into your life. Prepare to witness a remarkable transformation. Embrace change, release limiting beliefs, and allow the energy of prosperity to envelop you. Believe in yourself and the potential you have to achieve your aspirations. In this video, which will challenge all your preconceptions about wealth, you are at the center of a revelation that will change your life forever. At this pivotal moment, I will share a life-changing ritual, an immersive fusion of ancient traditions and sacred Buddhist principles. This is not merely a video. It is the key to unlocking the wealth you've always desired and deserved. Now, focus on this story, as it uncovers hidden teachings that have never been revealed anywhere online. We are in the whirlwind of the post-pandemic era in an Asian city, following the compelling saga of a resilient couple. Devoted parents of 3 children and loving grandparents to 7, their journey takes a desperate turn when bankruptcy engulfs them like a ferocious wave amidst chaos. Forced to sell all their assets, drowning in overwhelming debt, ranging from bank loans to credit card limits and overdrafts, desperation permeates every corner of their lives. Even their children, involved in the family business, are forced into a modest 2-room home, canceling health insurance and withdrawing their grandchildren from school. In this dark moment, when all doors seem closed, a beacon of light appears in the form of a Buddhist sage. This is more than just a tale of hardship. It is a powerful story of overcoming, demonstrating how ancient wisdom can illuminate the path even in the darkest of times. Prepare for a journey full of twists, as this couple's destiny is about to be transformed by the guidance of a remarkable spiritual mentor. In their quest for financial solutions, the couple embarks on a mystical journey to a mountain retreat near sacred waterfalls. Upon their arrival, they encounter the Buddhist sage, deeply immersed in meditation. Sensing the couple's anxieties, the sage invites them to share a special tea. In the ensuing moment of enlightenment, the sage underscores the importance of taking the initial step in transformation and reveals a simple ritual requiring just 2 ingredients, easily found in any kitchen, natural elements gifted by Mother Nature that possess extraordinary power. These ingredients, the sage explains, are capable of repelling negative vibrations and toxic individuals who hinder progress. The sage assures the couple that this ritual will not only attract wealth into their lives, but will also help them free themselves from stubborn debts. He highlights the versatility of these elements, promising not only financial breakthroughs, but also improvements in overall quality of life, covering love, relationships, and health. The sage encourages the couple to adopt the ritual immediately, promising remarkable outcomes and a more peaceful life, clearing away obstacles that stand in the way of their goals, particularly in the financial realm. In this transcendental meeting between the Buddhist sage and a couple seeking prosperity, ancestral secrets are revealed. The ritual for transformation is shared, promising to change their lives forever with ingredients readily available: tap water, a bay leaf, and a pinch of salt. The magic begins to unfold as the sage emphasizes the need for emotional connection with the elements. The choice of the bay leaf is critical, as cosmic energy will be channeled through it, elevating emotions and vibrating positively. The couple is ready to begin their journey toward abundance. The first step involves preparing a glass of water, a powerful neutralizer of negative energy. By adding a pinch of salt, they create an environment ripe for transformation, invoking the energy of the sea. The salt, imbued with positive intentions, transmutes negativity into opportunities for success. The bay leaf, the guardian of prosperity, is strategically placed next to the glass, while the couple's shoes are filled with the burning desire for wealth. Clean and purified, the shoes become bearers of luck, ready to walk the path of prosperity. Though this ritual is simple, it promises extraordinary results. The sage assures them that dedicating just a few moments to this practice will yield rewarding outcomes, opening doors to new opportunities and unlocking the pathways to financial success. The Buddhist sage, with a wise smile, tells the couple that the magic of the bay leaf is now intertwined with their destinies, and their transformation has begun. Feeling a renewed sense of hope, the couple expresses gratitude to the sage for sharing his ancient teachings. "Remember," says the sage, "every step you take with the consecrated shoes is a dance with prosperity. Let the energy of the bay leaf guide you toward a life of wealth." As they part ways, the couple feels revitalized, ready to walk the path of abundance that now lies before them. The bay leaf, now activated and imbued with positive intentions, is buried in the earth as a gift to Mother Nature, completing the magical cycle. The Buddhist sage watches with satisfaction as the couple walks away, aware that the transformation is in progress. "May fortune be with them," he murmurs, for they now carry the magic of the bay leaf, ready to attract wealth and prosperity with every step they take. Weeks later, on a sunny morning, the couple returns to the mountains where their mystical journey began. Under a gentle breeze, the sage smiles, recognizing the transformation in their faces. "I see you've brought the essence of the bay leaf into your lives," he says joyfully. With sparkling eyes and radiant smiles, the couple shares the remarkable changes that have taken place since the ritual. "We've managed to clear debts that had troubled us for so long," they say in unison. "And money seems to flow toward us as if prosperity is following in our every move." The Buddhist sage nods approvingly, acknowledging their understanding of the dance of abundance. "The bay leaf is a powerful ally, and you've skillfully incorporated it into your lives," he adds. "But remember, true wealth lies not only in financial gains, but in the harmony and balance we cultivate around us." The couple expresses deep gratitude to the sage for guiding them on their path to prosperity. "Not only have we transformed our financial situation, but we've also discovered an inner peace we've never known before." With a final meaningful look, the Buddhist sage blesses the couple, saying, "May this prosperity continue to grow, leading you toward a full and satisfying life." As the couple departs the mountains, they no longer carry just the essence of the bay leaf in their shoes, but also in their hearts. Their journey through the ancestral teachings of the Buddhist sage culminates in an apotheosis of transformation and prosperity. Guided by the light of Buddhist wisdom, they immersed themselves in the depths of abundance and emerged revitalized, with their feet firmly planted on the path of wealth. By incorporating the bay leaf ritual into their lives, the couple not only freed themselves from the chains of debt, but also set in motion a current of prosperity that would follow them in every aspect of their existence. The ritual, with its ancestral energy and potent symbolism, helped them eliminate the financial burdens that weighed them down. Through faith, focus, and perseverance, they transcended their monetary challenges and unlocked a more abundant life. Their shoes, now infused with the ancient magic of the bay leaf, became symbols of prosperity. With each step forward, they moved closer to realizing their dreams. At the heart of this transformative journey, the Buddhist sage, a seasoned guide, revealed long-guarded secrets, using wisdom to illuminate their path. 3 simple yet powerful elements, water, salt, and bay leaf, were the tools used to transmute not only their financial struggles, but also the negative energies obstructing their progress. The combination of ancestral knowledge, the symbolism of these elements, and the couple's unwavering faith led to a profound transformation. The debts dissolved, negative energies were purified, and prosperity began to flow into their lives. Financial harmony became a symphony, and the couple, once mired in despair, now danced to the rhythm of abundance. Water, with its power of neutralization, opened paths to unexplored opportunities. Salt, with its purifying properties, banished doubt and bad fortune, while the bay leaf, in its majestic simplicity, brought success, fortune, and protection. But beyond money and wealth, the Buddhist sage whispered the true essence of prosperity, a peaceful balance on life's journey. This story is not merely about a couple seeking material wealth, but about an internal quest for abundance in all areas of existence. It reminds us of the importance of recognizing and honoring ancestral wisdom, like the teachings shared by the sage, that offer guidance in overcoming challenges and achieving our goals. One of the most powerful reflections from this story is the realization that true wealth extends beyond material possessions. It lies in inner harmony, a peace of mind that transcends external circumstances. Like the couple, we too can discover that abundance manifests when we are aligned with our deepest values, when we engage in meaningful actions, and when we live with purpose and gratitude. This story also invites us to reflect on the importance of our connection with nature and the subtle energies that permeate the universe. The simple ritual involving salt, water, and bay leaf reminds us of the powerful influence that natural elements can exert on our lives. By attuning ourselves to the energy of the earth, sea, and plants, we can find balance and vitality in our personal journeys. Another essential takeaway from this story is the need to act with intent and dedication in the pursuit of our goals. The couple didn't just wish for change. They committed themselves to a transformative process, following the sage's guidance and consistently practicing the ritual. This serves as a reminder that true change requires effort and persistence. But the results can be extraordinary when we are genuinely committed to our personal growth. Additionally, the story teaches us about the power of gratitude and sharing. By expressing appreciation for the wisdom received and sharing their own experiences of transformation, the couple creates a positive flow of energy that expands and multiplies. This exchange not only strengthens their community, but also reinforces the bonds among all those who are committed to seeking prosperity and personal fulfillment. Finally, this story invites us to contemplate the power of belief and faith. The couple believed in the possibility of change and in the effectiveness of the ritual proposed by the Buddhist sage. Their belief carried them through the most challenging moments of their journey. This serves as a reminder that our thoughts and beliefs hold the power to shape our reality, and that we can manifest our deepest desires when we cultivate a positive, confident mindset. Prepare yourself, for this mystical narrative is an invitation to awaken the inner wealth that resides within each of us. May the magic of the bay leaf, guided by Buddhist wisdom, continue to flow, transforming lives and revealing the untapped potential that awaits each of us. If you enjoyed this video, like it and comment with a new affirmation about financial prosperity. Make a new decree from your heart now and share it in the comments. The universe will take care of the rest. I express my deepest gratitude for your participation. Thank you for being part of this community of truth seekers and abundance creators. Together we can build a better and more prosperous world for all. Until the next story.